Okay, friends, well, here we are. It's February, and we don't have a whole lot of snow. I gotta say, we sure don't. But one thing we do got a lot of is leaves. Oh my gosh, do we got leaves. A little bit more snow. Not much, just a little. So let me just kind of walk you around. Try to keep my shadow out of this. Yep, we got leaves and twigs. Oh my gosh. Huh? Look at them all. Ah, they're kind of pretty. I guess just think of them as big brown snowflakes at the moment. Look at them all. Can you believe it? You'd think we'd have some snow. Well, we did. We had a little, but it melted. And it's left us with lots and lots and lots and lots of leaves. All the way down to the river. All the way down to the muskie. See what else we got. Ah, let me see. Turn around a bit. Yeah, leaves in there, of course. Why not? Let's see what else. Ah, hey, guess what? More leaves. The funny thing is, they'll pretty much break up and probably won't even have to rake them. By the time winter's done, they'll be pretty small and probably just run through here with the lawnmower. It'll probably be okay. Here, let's go around back here. Yep, more leaves, even under the deck. More leaves. Under the steps. A little bit of snow, not much. And then more leaves. Leaves in the woods. Leaves on the lawn. Leaves on the boulders. Leaves on the slate. Oh my heavens. Leaves up against the house, right? You see them? Oh, yeah. And then up here, this just, oh my, that might be 6 inches worth of leaves. All around here, see it? Yeah. Gosh. Just amazing. One spot where there's some green. There you go. That's pretty, but leafy. Lord have mercy. Look at them all. Oh. And just stretching about as far as the eye can see. Leaves, leaves, and leaves. Got a bird bath there, but guess what? Full of leaves. Yeah. Well, I guess on that happy note, I'll leave you. But eventually they break up and they become dirt, which is good. Nothing wrong with that. And a little bit of green. And a lot of green. Yeah, it's all coming. Before you know it, it'll be spring. Yeah. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever. So be it. You know, it's funny, all those leaves, all last summer, spring, summer, and fall, helped make oxygen for us. They turned, well, they processed oxygen. That's what they release. They pull in, I think I don't want to say because I don't want to be wrong, but I know they do emit, each leaf, small amounts of oxygen, but there's an awful lot of leaves, so that gives us a whole lot of oxygen. So, I guess as far as the leaves are concerned, bon appetit. We'll catch you later. God bless. Bye now.